YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. So we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys how to replace some of the internal parts. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug suction side pool cleaner. This is meant for above ground pools only. Like I said in some of my previous videos, you guys can actually use this for an in-ground pool, but I would not suggest it. It's not meant to kind of tackle any type of other surface besides that vinyl in those above ground pools. So as you guys can see, you got a bunch of pieces in front of me. If you guys want to know how I tore down to where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Today's video is pretty simple. This doesn't require you guys to have to tear everything apart. You guys can actually do this when everything's connected on the cleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to swap out the feet on the bottom of the pod kit here. These are your main traction point as this thing buzzes around the bottom of your pool. This is what's going to make sure that you're having a smoother surface between the cleaner and the floor, so that you're not doing like a plastic to plastic, so then that way you're not destroying your liner on your above ground pool. So these are really important to make sure that these stay up to task and that they're actually fully ready for you guys, because again, once this actually starts to wear down, you're taking the risk of running plastic along that bottom of that vinyl liner, and then you guys are going to rip your liner from the cleaner. So really simple. Again, you don't need to tear it down like we did right now, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. These little feet, they just pull right out. So you guys can see it actually has little tabs that are kind of indented on the bottom. Those are just meant to kind of pressure fit down into this pod kit. They do make a variety of these, what they call shoes. They make them in like a ceramic, kind of like a cardboard style. They have the neoprene, which is like almost like a rubber style. And then they do sell some for like concrete or different pieces so that they can actually withhold up to those surfaces. So those are normally meant for some of the other cleaners. But again, they will work for these pod kits. So once you grab your other one, this is going to be directional. You guys can't just put this on whichever way you want, just because it won't fit back onto the pod kit. So once you guys have it, you're looking at I'll call it the little alligator mouth here on the end, is going to be facing towards you. No matter which side you're doing, the side closest to me or farther away, it always points this way, which in retrospect is going to be away from the cleaner here. So it's really simple. Grab your new ones and you're just going to go ahead and push them down so that everything gets flush on the pod kit. If you're having issues with these actually getting pushed in, or they're not staying in because the plastic may have worn on your actual pod kit, check out the links in the description. We've got the pod kit itself without the wings here attached that you guys can purchase separately. That'll get you a brand new plastic piece, so that way that the new feet will just easily be able to slide in there. So really quick, simple video. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that. Again, they can fall off over time and usage in your pool. So if you guys see that, it's time for a new pod kit. So check out the links in the description. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on this cleaner and all of Hayward's other cleaners. So appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.